Hey, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on Ariana Grande's look from her music video No Tears Left to Cry. By no means is this exactly how her makeup looked like, but it's kind of the way that I saw it. I used to think that eyeshadow primers don't make a difference, but they make a huge difference, and they really do ensure that your eyeshadow stays on your eyelids throughout the day. So make sure that you use an eyeshadow primer. An important thing to remember is to blend your eyeshadow well, because this will make sure that your eyeshadow doesn't turn out looking like a hodgepodge. I'll also attach a picture of what eye look I'm kind of going for from the music video. And for the application of the shimmer shadows, I always use my pointer finger because I realize it just comes out looking better that way. After applying fake lashes, I always use an eyelash curler to make sure that they kind of blend in with my natural lashes. I'm kind of really light-handed when it comes to the eyebrow pencil. I don't really press down too hard whenever I am outlining my eyebrows. This was my first time trying out the Clinique foundation sticks, and I actually really liked them because they were creamy and I have dry skin, so they worked really well with my skin. And dramatically add concealer around your eyebrows as well. I find that using my fingers to blend the concealer underneath my eyes is definitely more gentle, and it also does a better job than my beauty blender would. I use my Squalene plus vitamin C oil and I mix it with my highlighter to make it kind of a little bit more creamy, and then I basically add that to the tip of my nose and my cheekbones and anywhere else I would like to highlight. Ariana's makeup in the video also put a lot of emphasis on the highlight, so I'm trying to kind of go ham, even though I'm not much of a highlight person in real life as much. A, always use a lip liner if you want your lipstick to pop. B, my Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid lipstick is literally my holy grail. There were some scenes where Ariana was wearing glitter on her lid and underneath her liner, so I wanted to kind of incorporate that. So I added glitter into my crease, all dramatic looking. After adding black liner on the waterline, that's basically the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!